Hello guys, today we are doing transfer foil 3D nail design, like encapsulated transfer foil with acrylic. So I usually like using base coat in most of my cases because as you can see, this client was a new client and the nails were a bit weak. So this is what we usually do. Base coat helps you protect, and even though the design I wanted to do requires base coat, but this was just additional advantage. Then you will take your transfer foil after you cure the base coat for 2 minutes. You will take your transfer foil, then you stick them on the tips like that without sticking them on your natural nails. So this is how you transfer them. Yes, you make sure they are sticky and you press and pull so that you don't have that weird looking transferring. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. Remember, it's a rainbow flag, a rainbow foil. You just make sure you have the right combination. This one was a bit stubborn because the base coat, the client didn't lift the thumb. That's why it wasn't coming out, but we ended up fixing it, so you can see it's not coming out. So we ended up applying a base coat, then resticking and making sure you cure it. So after that, you will take your milky white and make sure you blend it nicely. Thin coat will help you achieve good result. Just use a thin bead on the natural nails, because remember, when you're done, you're coming back with your clear acrylic to cover everything. Are we together? So that's how you're going to do it. A thin very small bead. Don't use a very big bead, because if you use a big bead, it's going to cover your design and the nails will look white, and you don't want that. You want your result to be like an ombre design. So that's how you're going to do this one, and make sure you seal the cuticles perfectly, because now I am topping up everything with the clear. That's now when you will drill. The clear is now for encapsulation. It covers everything, and the flakes and the foil, you cover everything. That depends on what your client wants, because my client wanted it to be a bit clear. So that's why I used this clear. The brand I was using is Planet Nails for both white and the clear. So that's how you encapsulate that, and remember to pinch the tip so that you can maintain your shape. That's how you cover everything with clear. This clear is always flowing, it's nice. Remember, as you can see, I'm tilting the fingers. Why? Because I want the gravitational force to help my product flow towards the free edge. It's important. So after that, you're making sure you seal the free edge, because when you're going to file, you don't want to file off the design. And remember, I was working with the nails that are facing upward, and I wanted them to be straight as possible. That's why I didn't use too much product on the free edge. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section, and I will answer you. If you want to subscribe, the best, make sure you watch this video to the end, so that at least you get to learn. So when you're done, you're going to file. Remember, you'll be filed first before drilling. That saves you quite some time. Remember to share this video to your friend. If you are somebody who likes doing nails and you have somebody, your friend, who is doing nails, you can share this video with them so that they can learn something. So when you're done filing, you're going to drill to reduce the thickness. You don't want your nails to look as lumpy. Okay, you want your nails to be as thin as possible and as presentable, so that they don't look bulky. Remember, bulky nails are ugly. So you stay tuned so that you can see the end result. So make sure you drill this thing perfectly. As you can see, I'm facing the fingers down so that I don't hurt my client during drilling. Yes, when I'm working on the cuticles, I tend to tilt the fingers. That one help me have control during drilling. So when you're done, you're going to buff. Buffing helps you smoothen the surface, so that when you apply top coat, remember, after this, you can either use spider gel to create the effect, a certain effect, or you just apply top coat. The top coat I use tampered top coat from Lugs. We call it Lugs or Lugs. Yeah, if you want me to do products review, tell me on the comment section as well, so that we can do some reviews for the product. This is now me cleaning the cuticle area and cleaning all the cuticles that might have remained. so that I can apply my top coat and have my finishing. Make sure you subscribe, guys, and this is what we created. It's beautiful. You can recommend your girlfriend to me if you are a man, and if you're a lady, you can consider coming to my spot so that I can make you beautiful. Thank you, guys, and make sure you subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a good time.